one thing everyone should learn. You know, this morning I was swimming in the river and I was thinking everyone should learn this thing. If you want to be free in your life, if you want to have financial freedom, there is one thing you need to learn. And it's something that can allow anyone, I say anyone, to get financially free, to get passive income in his life. You know what? I'm going to go down in my office and I'm going to show you the one thing that you need to learn and know if you want to get financial freedom in your life. Let's go now. So, here I am back in my office. I really want you to discover this tool, okay? It can completely change your life. You can do everything with this. All right? I'm going to do a specific training, so you will be able to sign on the page below and look at the training for free. And then you will even be able to use the tool for free to be sure that it's exactly what you want and what will work for you. You maybe wonder who I am, what I do, so I will give you a very brief introduction. I've been working online for the last 7 years. I've been traveling the world for the last 7 years, so my business was online. I wrote many books that I'm selling on Amazon. I'm a life coach, I'm a consultant, and I'm doing a lot of online courses, trainings. But for now, I'm going to show you a very quick summary of what you can do with this website. Here, I put some numbers. In terms of income, okay, here you can see, you can sponsor people on this website. And let's say you sponsor one a week, which is 50 a year. 80% of them becomes pro. I will show you what it is. You can make 16,759 euro a month. 16,000 euro a month. So let's say $20,000 every month. If you sponsor 50 people in this website and that those 50 people sponsor another 50 people. That's it. It's nothing. It's like very little number. Let's say that 70% of those ones are converting into pro. Here you get 24,000 euro a month. I can't believe that. I've been doing business online for such a long time. There is many opportunity to do passive income, to be free in your life, but this is the best thing I ever found. Okay? And if you feel that it's something for you, and I will give you all the information and all the access for free that you will know if it's the business for you, you just have to sign up and you will have access to all that. And then you will see if it's something that you can do that fits with your lifestyle and everything and what you want in life. And if you have purpose, goals, big goals in your life, this is the opportunity for you. Okay? So just sign up below. I will come back to see you soon on the other side and I will explain to you everything in more details. All right? Sign up. Then I come back. I'm staying here. I'm staying in the office. I'm going to show you everything, but you have to sign up. Sign up. I'm coming back. Come on. It's free. It's free to sign up, and it's even free if I give you the access to the website. What else do you want? I just want you to be sure that it's something for you. Do it. You lose nothing. You lose a lot if you don't do it, but you lose nothing if you do it. Okay? I'm going now, and I see you on the other side. All right? Sign up.